What you're about to see is a matter of human record. Explain it, we cannot. Disprove it, we cannot. We simply invite you to explore with us the amazing world of the unknown.
In the zone with the DeWALT 12-volt max impact wrench DCF902.
Time to grab a single 3 amp-hour battery, and we're ready to play in traffic, starting off at slow speed. Alright, I believe we can do better than that. Let's speed up. Time to face challenge number 1. So in our particular case, we use a 19mm impact socket from the set. If you want to learn more about that, we're going to find something in the description below. Well, it seems like it's a little too easy for that bad boy. But since you're here, what about testing that precision torque? This feature prevents over-tightening and runoff. And as you can see, it works. It's about time for challenge number 2. And this time we're going to use an adapter from another set from DeWALT. Time to add some adapters in order to get more flexibility in your game. Welcome to challenge number 3. We go up.
This isn't civilized Pennsylvania. This is a raw frontier. You must take a realistic attitude.
That bad boy is pretty impressive, even though it's 12 volt. It's a tad smaller than a 20 volt, and it beats the competition in red in size and weight. Conclusion: the DCF902 got a decent punch and a handy dandy shape. You may want to eyeball the kit, because I believe price-wise it's more eye-appealing than just getting the bare tool itself. But that is just my humble opinion. Thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you in a little bit.